Hello, welcome to Enots Engineering. I'm Alan. In today's video I'm making a steel bush that fits inside my optical centre finder. And that's so I can use the smaller centre punch rather than having two different ones. So let's go into the workshop, see how we do it. I've selected a piece of steel bar. Well, the first job is to centre drill the end. Drill a hole in the end and ream it to fit this centre punch, which is a 10mm diameter centre punch. So I'll drill through first with a 6mm drill. Now drill through with a 9.5mm drill. I'll now ream out with the 10mm reamer. Okay, so I've reamed that out and the centre punch should fit in the end. So I need to remove some off the outside till this goes on. That's about 14mm diameter and the bore is 14mm. So it's an emery cloth job. To keep it flat. And with a piece of wood you can get more pressure on the emery cloth than you would without. Just run it up and down. What I want to do is just put a chamfer on the end here. I've just set my compound slide to 5 degrees. Just face the end off square. I think that should fit. Yep, there we go. I've fitted my boring bar. So what I want to do is get this parallel with the OD. Lock my tool post up. And now that should be able to bore that out. This is the part we've just made, just a bush. End of that, my centre punch will fit. Oh, it's a guide bush for the centre punch. The centre finder is this. It's a piece of aluminium with a bore down the middle. And I fitted an O-ring on the outside so when I put it on a piece of steel it doesn't slip, and into that goes Perspex rod. I scribed a cross on the end. See if I can show you that. Put some white on there. You see that cross on the end. And just put some red felt tip marker on there and polish the end up so you can't see any scratches. Same on the other end, polish that end up. I have two of these eyepieces, a larger one and a smaller one. I've got a piece of aluminium here I want to make a centre punch mark on, where I've marked the cross with the striped line on. I'll just drop this on the top, put the eyepiece down. Okay, you can see down there, you might not be able to see the cross, but there is a crosses lined up. Take that out, put the centre punch in, just tap it, take the centre punch out, remove them. Can you see where the mark is? Oh well, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed it, hope it was useful, and we'll see you next time on Enots Engineering.